Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have ordered some components from Flipkart for my electronics project. Let's see what's inside it. First, I unbox this. This is a good safety packing. One layer, two layer, and this is third layer. Flipkart have a good quality of packaging. These are the ICs which I ordered for my next project. This is L293D motor driver IC, and this is also L293D motor driver IC. These all three are L293D motor driver IC. I used a motor driver board in my lots of project, but these are the main, you can say, CPU which entirely control the board using the code. I actually want to show this. In my lots of project I use this board, and these ICs are this and this. These are L293D, only two, this and this. These are the L293D motor driver IC. These are used to control the motor via Arduino, and this is the IC fitted on this board. So in my next coming project, I am using this IC separately without using this board to control motors, servo motors and DC motors. Come to next item. This is the main thing I am waiting for. This is ST-Link V2. This is a USB to UART converter for operating this STM32 blue pill, because I cannot directly use this pin to upload code from my laptop. I have to use this converter. These wires are connected with these to convert. So lots of project coming using this STM32 board. I have this missing piece which I get to upload the code. Stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.